This video is to announce that we have now the Retopo MT add-on in Blender 2.8 and 2.81. It works as well. Because this video is in French, initially it was provided by Pitiwazou, although he didn't code it himself. But now it is ported over by Seawolf 3D. And I thought, let's make a short video. The add-on is very simple, so it doesn't need much explanation. So let's say we want to retopo this monkey. I press Shift A and P, and then GZ1, and then tap to go in edit mode, X to remove the vertices. So now we are ready to use the add-on. So I press Shift+Ctrl+Alt+X, and then we see this brush, and we see the menu here on top, and what happens here. So we paint a line, let's say, and another line. Then something went wrong here, but we can correct it if we press Control. We can move that, the vertex, and it will merge because auto merge is on. There is also another mode, so you can hover a face and then just drag the mouse like that. Not too many faces, so I press X to reduce the amount of faces. Let's try that one, and for example this. We can connect also those here, X. So those are two modes. Then there is another mode, and we can press spacebar and make a line here. Keep on holding the spacebar and make a new line like that. And now I let the spacebar go, and we see this. We want a little bit more faces, so we press W, and then we see this. So here we need a little bit of correction. Control. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it. You might be interested in another add-on that is speed. Let's check what it is. So I believe that is Retopo, and that is by that must be Pitiwazou, I think. But if you do that, you I will explain later in another video, because that is quite complementary to this add-on. So if you have both, you have I think a good set to do Retopo. Alright.